Yes, truck accidents are different from regular car accidents in that you really have to do an investigation immediately, because when you hire an accident reconstruction expert, they'll go to the scene, they'll take photographs, they'll look at points of impact, they'll look at skid marks. Oftentimes, truck accidents are caused by the fact that the driver exceeds the number of hours that he's allowed by law to drive. And there's a federal statute, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Act, which regulates the number of hours that a truck driver can drive in a given period of time. So if you see that there's driver fatigue, if you see that you can request certain information such as the truck's manifest, bills of lading, maintenance records for the truck. There's a lot of discovery that you can request, meaning information that the insurance company and the trucking company has to turn over to you and allow you to investigate the accident to look at potential causes. And I think an attorney who's experienced in truck accidents, together with an accident reconstruction expert and other experts in the trucking field, can obtain a substantial amount of money, because like motorcycle accidents, truck accidents are severe in that you have a huge tractor trailer and truck with a lot of weight. Sometimes they're carrying thousands of tons of weight, is coming into contact either with a pedestrian, God forbid, or with a vehicle. So obviously those are some of the most serious accidents on the road today. Hi, my name is Arkady Freckman of Freckman & Associates, attorneys and counselors at law, with offices in Manhattan and Brooklyn, New York. If you've been injured in any type of accident or serious injury, please call us for a free consultation.